Uh-oh, here come the stop. Here come the stop. Here come the stop. Oh! It's Friday. First week of school is in the books. Week 1 down. Oh, got a package. Got a packet. Come on, come on, come on. Need the package. Yep, I know what this is. I like new luggage. It's Friday, new luggage. I need somewhere to go. Friday, new luggage. Where can I go? I know just the place.
It's the weekend, time to party. Me and my friends on the highway, heading to the club. It's time to dance. We're gonna kick it while we have a chance. Even if no one's on the dance floor, we are gonna do what we came for. It's Friday night, and I'm ready for the weekend. Head up high to forget my weekend. Loosen up, let the eagles fly tonight.
I've been on a 2-lane highway in the backwoods for about 30 minutes, and I still have an hour and 10 minutes to go on this 2-lane highway. Since my last update, I've been going for maybe another 30 minutes. And from the bottom, I looked up in the mountains and I saw clouds. I don't know if you can see this haze right now, but I'm actually driving through clouds. I'm that high. More clouds. A while ago, I checked to see if I had cell phone service. It's been 20 minutes. I still have no cell phone service. Maybe give y'all a better idea of how high I am. Currently, I am 2,100 feet above sea level. Climbing higher. Climbing higher. Final landing spot, 2,206 feet above sea level. This is Harmony Mountain Haven. Can y'all see that? That was in the doorway. Jeez. This is my knife. That's the spider. Okay. I'm going to leave him where he is. That's his home. I am at Horseshoe Canyon Ranch. Free range horses. They just out there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's even horses way up there on the ridge up there. Look close. All right, they told us when we put this thing on, it's supposed to step in the legs and then kind of shimmy it up. I've stepped in. The other group went ahead. Wasn't enough room, but that's okay. Give me a chance to get myself together. The guys are taking me up to the top of the mountain.
That is rude. Oh, come on. You gotta give me. It's hilarious.
I'm almost at the top. Now they have to take me up there. Climbing on rocks.
You got it?
We're good.
You want to hand me your wallet? I'll put it in the pocket.
Time for a break.
Whose bright idea was this?
What? And look at the one that caught me up there.
I want to do this. I'm going to do this. We're almost up this mountain.
Creed, are you ready down there? I got your first zipper coming down. Good. Triple checking, the system's good. Watch that elbow when you take off. Get
Okay. Feet out in front.
Yep. Elbows in.
Elbows in.
Knowing you.
And then one,
Don't
and
say that.
two. See ya.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, man. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, man! Yeah! Look at this! Look at it! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! They're coming to stop! They're coming to stop! They're coming to stop! Oh! Oh! Yes! Man! That was nuts! That was crazy! I loved it! Oh, I guess I'm heavy or the trees have grown, so the trees slapped me on the butt. Oh man, my adrenaline is pumping right now. Went ziplining. Now I'm at Lost Trail Canyon, I think. Looking for caves. And I found one. I'm going to try to go in the cave up there. I made it.
Are you going through to the other side?
Me?
Yeah.
To the other side.
Are you walking
Goes
through
back
it?
through.
Uh-huh.
Connects back to the trail on the other side of the cave.
So I can go through the cave?
That's what I'm asking.
So walk through the dark?
It only stays dark for 2 seconds.
Uh,
Once you jump up there with you can see through.
okay. Yeah, I'm going to do it.
Alright, well,
I'm going to do it.
I'm not going to do it, but that's what we're on dark.
Okay. And it's wet too. That's the cave I'm walking through. Oh, this water's cold. Crap, this water's cold. Oh, it's freezing. And here we go. And we're out. That wasn't too bad. But now I have to climb up there. Another stop on the trip is the Arkansas Grand Canyon. Going off-roading. About to skip a rock. We stuck?
Oh, have you got, what do you got?
I got
I got on tennis shoes.